In this lesson, we want to explain Simplify tool. As you can see in this example, instead of using video or text or photos, real photo, real text, these graphics are used. For example, instead of showing the real video, this symbol is used instead of that. And instead of text, these graphics are used, as you can see. This is called simplifying photos. Okay, after selecting the comment in the settings section, the first thing you will see is the auto simplify button. To get started, we're going to this photo from our YouTube channel. Please subscribe us. And by turning it on, the software will be automatically do this for us. As you can see, it's hide all text, video. In detail section, you can specify the amount of detail that the software will be apply. Okay. But if we want to do it ourselves, first we have to turn the comment off, and the window will be open asking if we want to turn the comment off. Okay, turn it off. Now, I do this manually by myself. In a color palette, an interesting thing happened that the software identifies the color code of the photo and puts most of them in 4 color in this section. As you can see, several range of the colors here. Below that are graphics elements with the same color to get started. As you can see, they're all graphic using for simplifying photo. For example, we want to change the profile picture. Searching the elements and select the desired element here and drop it by clicking and dragging on the profile picture. You can select color in the settings to change a fill color here. Okay, this is first. Now we want to insert a video element and place it on this main video. Okay, we search the element. This is video element. Click and drag on the video, main video. That's right. Okay, and text elements. These are text elements. Choose one of them, for example, these, and place on a text. This small window summarizes the important settings, for example, arrangement, right align or left align text. You can see. But in the main setting, you can set the text color here and the background and the shape. And in the background color, use eyedropper if you want to exact the background of the photo. As you can see. In the setting, there are 2 general modes, move and draw. You have to be in a draw mode when we want to draw elements, but if you want to arrange them and move them, you must be in the move tool. Okay. The lock object option is for locking elements created in the auto simplify mode. Note that in the auto simplify mode. Okay, we're going to turn the auto simplify on, and we have to go in the main move tool. and we can no longer move these elements. Note that we have to going on main move tool. Just the auto simplify elements are locked, as you can see. Okay. Another option is show original. Enable opacity mode where you can see the original image or text or video or photo behind these graphics, as you can see. Okay, this is simplifying photo. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.